Alert forecast.
All right, how about this beautiful view from Deborah Levy from Devil's Knob at Wintergreen, looking out across the Blue Ridge. And even though it was hot today, it wasn't overly humid. And again, we can make out the ridge line, so it's not excessively hazy either. Sometimes we can't even see the Blue Ridge, at least from Charlottesville looking west, because of the haze. That was really not the case today. Let's first of all take a look outside. Currently at the airport, you can see the view there. And again, we can make out the Blue Ridge off to the west. And again, it was a hot afternoon. Let's check in with the temperature. The airport made it up to 93 today. We're currently 90. Dew points are in the low 60s. These numbers by this weekend will be in the 70s, and it'll be even hotter. So that's when we're talking about excessive heat, high humidity, and dangerous conditions in terms of the heat and humidity combo. 88 the current number at Valley Airport in Weir's Cave, touching 89 for a high today. We've got numbers right now that include 88 there in Madison, 86 in Palmyra, 85 in Waynesboro, and 86 in Harrisonburg. We'll slip back into the 60s tonight, so a little bit of relief. And then temperatures tomorrow climb into the mid-90s for many locations. We'll quickly see these numbers by about noontime or 1 o'clock at or above 90 degrees. Now the heat index tomorrow will be a little higher, anywhere from the mid-90s to near 100. But then we start to talk about the weekend, which we've been highlighting all week, and hence the first alert weather for the weekend because of the dangerous heat and the high humidity. An excessive heat watch is in place. This watch will be upgraded either to a heat warning or a heat advisory. There will be other counties added, but this is the current look of things. We're talking about the air temperature both Saturday and Sunday, at least for Charlottesville, the airport, around 99 degrees. So that means those heat index values, the real field temperature in the afternoon, anywhere between 105 and 110. Those are dangerous levels if you're not prepared for this heat. So take it easy. And again, we'll be at record or record-breaking territory. These are the numbers for the airport. Now, on Saturday, the record is 99, set back in 1988. So that could be tied or broken. Same on Sunday. And the current record's 97, set back that same year. So big heat yet to come. And this is not a good news. Of course, it's the growing season. We came off a relatively damp May, and then things dried up here in the month of June. And we've got moderate drought conditions on both sides of the Blue Ridge now. And of course, this heat's not helping at all. And we look ahead for storm chances. Well, we have a few, but we're talking about scattered activity, even taking us into next week. But our next best chance is going to be Monday. Things are quiet with the satellite and radar combination combined. High pressure not at the surface, but higher up in the atmosphere dominating. There is a front that stretches from Canada, New England, all the way back into the Intermountain West. But we're far from any of the showers and storms. Still some rain across Texas, flooding along the coast with what was Tropical Storm Alberto. Speaking of the tropics, disturbed weather off the southeast coast has a 40% chance of development over the next couple of days. That would be working into Florida and Georgia. Temperatures in the morning, 60s and 70s. We heat up into the low and mid-90s as mentioned. We'll do it again on Saturday, but starting warmer in the 70s, and big numbers here on Saturday in the upper 90s with those heat indices over 100. 60s here tonight. There's a look at the Michael and Son 7-day forecast. Heat wave rolls on. Again, dangerously hot and humid conditions this weekend, hence the first alert weather days. Storm chances here on Monday and maybe the middle of next week, but still in the 90s for the last week of June.
All right, Eric, thank you.
Thank you so much.
Let's get a quick live look